Hi guys, I'm Ronnie. Today we're working on a 2007 Ford Explorer 4.6 engine. I'm going to go through the steps of changing your serpentine belt. So in order to get started here, I got some basic tools here. Alright, I'll start with some safety glasses, screwdriver, and number 8mm wrench. First things first, any electrical job, unhook the battery every time. Negative cable first, make sure it's out of the way and not going to come back and touch the battery. Alright, make sure the positive. You can just do the negative, but I prefer to do both just for the heck of it. Doesn't hurt. Get some plastic out of the way here. A couple of disconnects on the vacuum hoses here and here. It should slide right off. Set that aside. And now I can see my alternator. So we'll remove the belt first. And this tool is unique because its slim design lets me get in down where the belt tensioner is and get in there easily and get that belt on and off quickly. So the first step to removing the belt is finding out which adapter here out of the set fits the tensioner. This one's a 1/2-inch drive. It's got a square drive down in there. This tool allows you to index it wherever you need it to put it together, and it gives you the leverage with the long handle. There we go. All right. Not a bad idea to take a picture of your belt so you know how it goes back on when you go to reinstall it. Maybe a couple different angles to get all the pulleys. I don't see the belt routing instructions anywhere on this car, so it's a good idea to have. You can also look it up. Alright, so the belt's released from the alternator. Now we'll remove the old belt. Hopefully, easily. Okay. It wasn't too bad to remove the old serpentine belt. We got a new Duralast belt. Now remember, I did take a picture of it. Since I didn't find a belt routing diagram on the truck anywhere, it's just kind of nice to do that for reference. Still tough to see in there, but make sure all the pulleys are seated correctly with the belt. There we go. Okay, so installing the belt, it can be very confusing because the belt rides on the back side of the belt to these smooth pulleys and on the inside of the groove pulleys. And they can go 100 different directions. Unless you take a picture or get a diagram, you're almost never going to figure it out. So it has to be installed correctly. You got your water pump here, your balance down at the bottom, that's what drives everything. You got an idler here, tensioner down here, your power steering is over here, and your air conditioning is down at the bottom. And obviously your alternator on top. Now it's installed correctly, I can get all the plastic back on, make sure all my electrical is hooked up, start it up, and check my charging system. Tighten up a couple clamps, we're good to go. And there you have it, a belt install. 2007 Ford Explorer 4.6 engine. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.